Breaking news out of Jamaica. Nationwide news exposed. Hughes and George Davis, the so-called Fox News of Jamaica, just planted a fake story about a leadership war inside the PNP. But guess what? It's a lie. Stick around because I'm breaking it all down and you need to hear this. Last week, Jamaica witnessed what can only be described as a dangerous act of misinformation. Nationwide news network, led by Hughes and George Davis, the so-called Fox News of Jamaica, planted a story that sent shockwaves through the political landscape. The fabricated claim that there is an internal leadership struggle inside the People's National Party, PNP, with Damion Crawford allegedly positioning himself to dethrone Mark Golding as party leader. But let's be clear, this story is fake, 100% manufactured. It is nothing but a reckless attempt to stir chaos, divide comrades, and paint the PNP as unstable. No credible source, no verified statement, no internal declaration. Just propaganda dressed up as journalism. And the impact? PNP supporters were thrown into unnecessary disarray. Many questioned the stability of their movement, while others began to speculate on loyalty and leadership, all because of a baseless narrative. This is not journalism. This is sabotage. Hughes and George Davis must be held accountable. Nationwide cannot continue to operate as a political megaphone for falsehoods, manipulating public perception, and destabilizing democratic confidence. This isn't the first time. Time and again, Nationwide has been accused of bias, sensationalism, and pushing half-truths to capture ratings. But this, manufacturing a leadership crisis where none exists, crosses the line. If media houses want respect, they must deal in facts, not fantasies. Jamaica deserves better than imported Fox News-style reporting that divides instead of informs. The People's National Party remains united under Mark Golding's leadership, and Damion Crawford himself has made no move, no challenge, no plan to undermine his leader. The truth is simple. This was fake news, weaponized to destabilize. And to Nationwide, Jamaicans are watching. Your credibility is on the line. The people won't stand for being misled. Thanks for watching. The truth burns hotter than the propaganda. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fire stories.